Okay, we have started recording. Okay, guys, see, we'll write the first program. Let me open PyCharm. Yesterday, my laptop got restarted. Okay, right, guys. The program one is write a program to print all even numbers, right, guys? Is that clear? Suppose in this list, we'll take a combination of both even numbers and odd numbers. Okay, if x modulus 2 equal to 0, then only it will be even, right? Then colon, then give enter. Okay. See, wherever my enter is suggesting to write, from there only you write, okay? See, from here only I'm supposed to write. Otherwise, I will get indentation error, okay? Yes, is this program is clear to everyone? I think even sum I asked, is it like that? Then write sum equal to sum plus x, okay? Alekya Shrimki, are you able to follow this one?
Yes.
Alekya?
Yes.
Fine, huh? Okay, okay. See, just we are getting everything into x. We are checking one by one. If it is even, then only we are adding to sum. This is something like a filter, okay? Okay, we are just filtering all the even numbers, okay, to go inside. Okay, only even numbers only, it will go inside. Guys, is my voice is clear to you guys?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, thank you. Now we'll go for the second program, okay? Right, guys, okay. Now the second program is we need to print all the vowels, right, in the string. Am I correct? Is it like that, right? Is it? This that's okay. We need to print all the vowels, right? So first we need to read the string, right? How can we read the string? S equal to input of please enter a string, okay? Okay. Now, simple. Take v equal to a e i o u a e i o u. Okay. You should suppose if the input contains capital or a small, you should be able to print them. Okay. Fine. See, simple for x in s. Okay. That means each letter of my s will come to x. Now I will check if, come on, x in v. Then only I'll print x. What is there, guys? See, Alekya, you have made two things. One thing is you taken a list, okay, something like that, okay, something L equal to, you have written something list of something A B C D like that, right, Alekya? See, this is not required. First, the list of is not required because if you write square bracket means itself is a list, okay? And second thing, if you are writing ABC means you should be keeping in single quotes and double quotes, okay? The characters, okay, na? Like this, right? Because they are normal strings, right? Normal strings can't be written independently. They should be placed in single quotes and double quotes. I told you earlier, okay? But still, okay, you have done, total A to Z, I think, right? You are processing everything from the list and you are checking is it oval or not. Am I correct? But our question is we need to read a input. We need to read a input. In that input, we need to check how many ovals are there. That's our problem statement. Okay. It's not like definitely if you try to read, definitely if you're processing from A to Z, you will get IOU. But it's not the case. Our case is we'll take some input string. In the input string, how many ovals are there? That is we need to print. Okay. Any doubts here? See, for x in S, if x in V, okay, then we'll print that x. Okay, Aleki, is that fine? Any doubts? Srimuki, for you? I think Srimuki has already solved that right only. But Aleki, no problem. It's a good try, okay? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, 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 fine, fine. Aleki, any doubts now? Sushmita, Aleki, yeah, you guys? No, right? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's move to the next topic. Let us run this program and we'll go, okay? See, let us write Sunil, okay? In Sunil, ovals are you and I, okay? See, you and I are printing, okay? Let us try Srimuki. So the answer is I and you and I, okay? Right? Okay. Suppose if I want to print the count of vowels also, then you take a count equal to 0. Let's see, count equal to 0. Then in this for loop only, just write count equal to count plus 1, okay? Okay, na? Right, guys? Then after that, print count, okay? After the whole for loop, you should print count. Guys, uh, are you able to understand this? See, every time I will go inside the if loop, if it is oval, then I'll print the oval and I'll increment the count. After whole for loop is done, then I need to print the count because each time I'm not supposed to print count because it won't give you the final total. Your final total will be fixed when your for loop is done, right? Okay. Yes, this logic is also clear to everyone. This logic is clear to everyone. Alekya, fine. I'm just making the count of characters. Any doubts, Alekya? No problem, no problem. See, till now, till line 7 is clear, right? Then, see, at the same time, we are making a count of vowels, okay? See, count equal to count plus 1, you are fine, right? Yesterday, I have told you, I equal to I plus 1, how it will work. Okay, so the right side will be executing, then it will be assigned to left side, okay? So, we are making a count of characters, how many vowels are there, we are printing, okay? So, each time, whenever you're going inside means the text is a vowel, okay? Each time, whenever you're going inside, increment the count. Okay, increase the count. Okay, after whole for loop is done, your count contains total number of vowels. That's it. Like, yeah, fine. Okay, na? That's it. Okay, right. We'll go for the next one. Shishmita, are you following? Thank you. But I really appreciate Srimukhi and Nalaki. You guys tried at least. Okay. So, uh, the second iterative statement. So, yesterday we have done it for loop. Yes. Yesterday we had done it for loop. And second iteration statement, anyone? I told you yesterday how many iteration statements are there in Python? I am asking how many iterative statements are there in Python? While loop, okay? For loop and while loop, am I correct? So now we'll see the while loop and how it will work and everything, okay now? Okay, just a minute. See the while loop, I think we have seen the range also, right? Let me check, are you missing anything in the while for loop? Range is also done. I said how to get the elements from the list, how to get elements from the tuple. Am I correct? Okay. We didn't told, right? Okay, we'll do that tuple and we'll move to while loop. Okay, there only. Okay. And I told something like for a set we can't iterate. Am I correct? Yeah, got it. Okay, for loop we have done range and while loop. Okay, fine. We'll see. And how can we access data from the different data types? Okay. Fine. Let us try with the tuple. Okay. So can you guys tell me how can we write a tuple? T equal to tuple means parenthesis, right guys? You remember? Come on. For x in t, print of x. See, guys, the same thing only. Alakya clear? Okay. Yeah. Suppose if I go for a set, okay, we'll see, okay, how it will work, okay? Hey, it is coming here. Okay. Sorry, my bad. Actually, I thought the order is not preserved. No, we can't iterate the set, but it is coming, guys. Okay, it was sorry, guys. I was confused. Actually. Okay, fine. See, guys, even we can iterate through the set also. Okay, guys, is that clear? Yes. I know that. It's not coming in a proper order, but we can iterate. At least we can iterate, right? Okay. See, basically, there is no point of iterating if they are not coming in a proper order. No, there is no point of iterating. But yeah, but make sure this will we can iterate. Okay, fine. There's any doubts here? Shimuki, are you there? No. Tuple insertion order is preserved. List insertion order is preserved. Only set insertion order is not preserved. Okay, like yeah. Okay, see, I'll tell you one more time. List insertion order is preserved and it is mutable. Okay, tuple insertion order is preserved and it is not. It is immutable. Tuple. Okay, and set mutable insertion order is not preserved. Okay, like that. Okay, na? Like make sure these points, you can remember, okay, on fingertips. Guys, while I'm teaching, please focus on the class, okay? Don't try to practice parallelly, okay? Fine. Now we'll go for the while loop, okay? Tell me, guys, if you have any knowledge on the while loop, now please tell me. What is the difference between for loop and while loop? Come on, guys, tell me. Okay. Okay. Correct. We'll see that, okay? So basically, if I write for x in range of 10, okay, automatically the values will be incremented one by one, right? For x will be 1, x will be 2, x will be 3, like that. Okay, am I correct, guys? Okay, but if I write, but in while function, it's not like that. Okay, you need to see here initialization, the range function is doing, incrementing, range function is doing. Am I correct, guys? Initialization and increment both are done by the range function only. Am I correct? But in while loop, we need to do initialization before the while loop. Before the while loop. And increment of inside the while loop. Okay, guys, at least have you understood something? Alekya, Srimukhi, what you have understood with these two lines? Yes, inside the while loop, we need to increment the x value and we need to initialize the x value before the while loop. Am I correct? We'll see that. Okay, great, great, good understanding. Guys, again, I'm telling this one I have told you wrong. Okay, please check this. Okay, I told we can't iterate through set, but we can iterate. Okay, my understanding is wrong here. Okay, right. Okay, chalo. See, x equal to 0. See, I want to print numbers till 100. Okay, x less than or equal to 100. Okay, see, same syntax, guys. While x less than, see, only condition only you can place. Okay, and enter, then write print of x. Guys, is it sufficient or do I need to do something extra? Alekya? Hello. No, I am asking, we have initializer x equal to 0 and while is the condition. See, while the syntax of while is while space condition. Okay. So I have wrote the condition x less than or equal to 100. Okay. So I need to print, I need to go till 100. Now I am asking, I am printing x. Is it sufficient or do I need to do something else? Yeah, but yes, yes, you need to increment because x will be, if you're not incrementing, x will be always 1. It will go for infinite loop. Okay. I'll tell you what is infinite loop also. Don't worry. Shimuki, is that clear, Shimuki? Shimuki. See, now 0, yeah, 0 less than or equal to 100, 0 less than or equal to 100, the condition, yes. See, x value is 0, 0 less than or equal to 100, condition true. Okay, if it is true, it will go inside and it will print 0. Now x value will be 1. Then again it will go up. 1 less than or equal to 100. Now it will print 1. Again x value will be 2. Again it will go up. 2 less than or equal to 100. Print 2. X value 3. 3 less than or equal to 100. Print 3. Like that. Okay, clear? Okay, that's it, guys. Okay. See, the same thing we are doing with the while loop also. See, yesterday I was teaching one class. Okay. The class contains 400 people. Okay. I was asking what is the difference between for loop and while loop. No one has given the right answer, guys. Okay. Basically, students will think for loop and while loop are different, but it's not the different, guys. Okay. Just initialization outside the while loop and increment inside the while loop. Okay, that's it. Okay, na? Guys, you got it right? My question is, what will happen if I don't do increment? Anyone? Sushmita, not you. I am asking, if you're not doing increment in this program, if I run the program, what will be my answer? 0 will be printed how many times? Sure, 100 times only. Sushmita, I was asking not to tell, na? See, guys, it will go for infinite loop, guys. Okay, because you are not incrementing x, always the condition will be true for infinite time. Okay, as you are not incrementing the value of x, the condition will be true for infinite time. Okay, right? See, now you can expect 0 for infinite time. See, it will go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. Okay, right? See, it won't stop also until you stop the program, right? See, like that. See, I have stopped the program. Okay, see, it is saying keyboard interrupt. Okay, see, in infinite, till you stop the program, it will be printing 0, 0, 0, 0, because you are not incrementing the value of x, and the condition will be true for infinite time. Okay, clear? So basically, people end up with this infinite loop because people forget to increment the value of variable. So that's why they will go for infinite loop. So make sure you're not falling in this trap. Okay, okay, na? Okay. Okay, now the same programs you can do this. Okay, if you want to print only even numbers, write if x modulus 2 equal to 0. Okay, you can write print of x like that. Okay, na? Like that you can do. Okay. See, acha, you are not incrementing x, huh? See, I myself I'm doing the mistake. Okay, na? Okay, okay. Okay, na? Okay, so that's the end of for loop and while loop. Okay. Okay. Uh, Fine, yes, okay. So I'll give some homework. Actually, for assignment purpose, I'll give you some work. Try these programs, okay? Check, read a number, check whether the number is prime or not, okay? And second one, read a number, check whether the number is Armstrong or not, okay? Okay, take that as assignment. Okay, try that. Okay, just to explore. Wow, if you don't know what is a prime number, what is an Armstrong number, explore on the internet. You will get the definition. Okay, but at least give it a try. Okay, tomorrow I will explain these two programs. Okay, now. Right, guys. So the next topic is nested for loop. Okay, but I don't want to start now and end in between. Okay, so I will teach you tomorrow. Okay, this is good concept. Okay, nested for loops. Okay. Okay, tomorrow I'll teach this. Okay, first you guys try these two programs. Tomorrow we'll try to complete these two programs and then we'll go for nested for loop. Guys, is that clear? And just stay on the call.